Crash course on Japanese cars. Will Japan lose EV global markets? Introduction. Japan's automobile industry is one of the largest and most well-known in the world, with major companies like Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and Mazda leading the way in innovation and technology. Japanese cars are known for their reliability, durability, and fuel efficiency, making them popular choices for consumers worldwide. However, with the rise of electric vehicles, EVs, and increasing competition from other countries, the future of Japan's dominance in the global automotive market is uncertain. History of Japanese cars. Japan's automobile industry began in the early 1900s with companies like Mitsubishi and Isuzu producing commercial vehicles. However, it wasn't until the 1960s that Japanese cars began to gain popularity in the global market. Companies like Toyota and Honda started producing small, affordable cars that were well suited for the needs of post-war consumers. These cars quickly gained a reputation for their reliability and fuel efficiency, which helped to drive sales in the US and other markets. In the 1970s and 1980s, Japanese car companies continued to innovate, introducing new technologies like electronic fuel injection and variable valve timing. They also began to expand their product lines to include luxury vehicles and sports cars, with brands like Lexus and Acura launching in the US. However, Japan's dominance in the global automotive market began to face challenges in the 2000s. The rise of Chinese automakers, along with increased competition from US and European brands, led to a decline in Japanese car sales in some markets. Additionally, concerns over quality and safety issues, such as the Takata airbag scandal, damaged the reputation of Japanese car companies in some countries. The future of Japanese cars. The rise of EVs presents both opportunities and challenges for Japan's automobile industry. On the one hand, Japanese car companies have already invested heavily in EV technology and are well positioned to take advantage of the growing demand for electric vehicles. Toyota, for example, has already introduced several hybrid and electric models, including the popular Prius hybrid. On the other hand, Japan faces stiff competition from other countries in the EV market, particularly China. Chinese EV makers like NIO and XPeng have already made significant inroads in the global market, with plans to expand into Europe and the US. Additionally, US-based companies like Tesla and General Motors are also investing heavily in EV technology, with the potential to capture significant market share. Despite these challenges, Japan's automobile industry is likely to remain a major player in the global market for years to come. Japanese car companies have a long history of innovation and technology development, and they are well positioned to continue leading the way in areas like fuel efficiency and safety. Additionally, many consumers still associate Japanese cars with quality and reliability, which could help to drive sales in the EV market. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Toyota production system. One of the most famous stories in Japanese automotive history is the development of the Toyota production system. This system, which is also known as lean manufacturing, is a highly efficient method of production that minimizes waste and maximizes efficiency. It was developed by Toyota in the 1950s and 1960s as a way to improve their production process and reduce costs. The Toyota production system is based on several key principles, including continuous improvement, just-in-time production, and respect for people. It has been widely adopted by other industries and is considered one of the most important innovations in manufacturing history. 2. The Honda Super Cub. The Honda Super Cub is one of the most successful motorcycles in history, with over 100 million units sold worldwide. The Super Cub was introduced in 1958 as a small, affordable motorcycle that was well suited for the needs of post-war consumers. It quickly gained a reputation for its reliability and fuel efficiency, which helped to drive sales in markets around the world. The Super Cub's success is often attributed to Honda's focus on meeting the needs of consumers. The company recognized that many post-war consumers were looking for affordable and reliable transportation, and the Super Cub was designed to meet those needs. It also featured several innovative design elements, such as a pressed steel frame and an automatic centrifugal clutch, which helped to make it easier to ride and maintain. Today, the Super Cub remains a popular choice for commuters and riders around the world. It has been updated and modernized over the years, but it still retains the same basic design elements that made it so successful in the first place. 3. The Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf is one of the most popular electric vehicles in the world, with over 500,000 units sold since its introduction in 2010. The Leaf was one of the first mass-market EVs and helped to popularize the idea of electric transportation for consumers. The Leaf was designed with several innovative features, including a regenerative braking system and an energy-efficient air conditioning system. It also featured a range of up to 100 miles on a single charge, which made it well-suited for urban driving and short commutes. While the Leaf faced early challenges with battery reliability and range anxiety, Nissan has continued to invest in the technology and has introduced several updated versions over the years. The latest version of the Leaf, which was introduced in 2020, features a range of up to 226 miles on a single charge and several advanced safety features. 4. Mazda's rotary engine. Mazda is a Japanese car brand that has gained recognition for its innovative technologies and unconventional approach to car design. One of the most interesting aspects of Mazda's history is its use of the rotary engine, which was first introduced in the 1960s. The rotary engine is a unique design that features a triangular rotor instead of the pistons found in traditional engines. The rotary engine was smaller, lighter, and more powerful than conventional engines, and it helped to establish Mazda's reputation for performance and engineering excellence. Despite the success of the rotary engine, Mazda eventually moved away from the technology due to concerns about fuel efficiency and emissions. However, the company has continued to focus on innovative designs and technologies, and it has recently introduced a new generation of engines that feature advanced fuel injection and turbocharging technologies. 5. Suzuki's K-Cars. Suzuki is another Japanese car brand that has gained recognition for its innovative approach to car design. One of the most interesting aspects of Suzuki's history is its development of the K-Car, which is a small, lightweight car that was designed to meet the unique needs of Japanese consumers. K-Cars were first introduced in the 1940s and were designed to be affordable, fuel-efficient, and easy to maneuver in urban environments. They were also subject to special tax and insurance regulations that made them more affordable for consumers. Today, K-Cars remain popular in Japan, and Suzuki is one of the leading manufacturers of these vehicles. Suzuki's K-Cars feature innovative design elements such as rear engine layouts and advanced safety features, which have helped to make them popular among Japanese consumers. 6. Mitsubishi's off-road legacy. Mitsubishi is another Japanese car brand that has gained recognition for its innovation and engineering excellence. One of the most interesting aspects of Mitsubishi's history is its legacy in the off-road vehicle market. Mitsubishi has a long history of producing rugged, off-road vehicles such as the Pajero and the Montero. These vehicles were designed to be capable of tackling rough terrain and challenging environments, and they have gained a dedicated following among off-road enthusiasts around the world. In recent years, Mitsubishi has faced some challenges in the global market due to changing consumer preferences and increased competition. However, the company remains committed to innovation and technology, and it has introduced several new electric and hybrid vehicles in recent years. Conclusion. Japanese car brands have a rich and varied history that is marked by innovation, engineering excellence, and a commitment to meeting the needs of consumers. From the iconic Honda Super Cub to the innovative Nissan Leaf, Japanese car brands have played a major role in shaping the global automotive industry. As the industry continues to evolve and adapt to changing consumer preferences, Japanese car brands are likely to remain at the forefront of innovation and technology. Whether it's through the use of unconventional technologies like Mazda's rotary engine or the development of innovative vehicles like Suzuki's K-Cars, Japanese car brands are sure to continue to excite and inspire drivers around the world. Here's a poem on various Japanese car brands. In Japan, the land of the rising sun, a car culture thrives, second to none, where brands are born with innovation in mind. And engineering excellence is the daily grind. Toyota, the brand that needs no introduction. A symbol of reliability, a source of production. With hybrids and SUVs and everything in between. Toyota cars are known for their longevity, it's no scene. Honda, the maker of the legendary Super Cub. A symbol of the post-war era, a sign of love. Their cars are known for their practicality and speed. With the Civic, Accord, and CR-V, they fill every need. Nissan, the brand that brought electric to the masses. The Leaf, a game-changer, that too in massive masses. Their cars are known for their safety and comfort. With the Altima, Rogue, and Sentra, they're never out of sorts. Mazda, the maker of the rotary engine. A symbol of innovation, a unique blend of magic and syringe. Their cars are known for their handling and style. With the MX-5 Miata and CX-5, they never fail to beguile. Suzuki, the creator of the K-Car. A symbol of efficiency, a tiny superstar. Their cars are known for their affordability and charm. With the Swift, Jimny, and Ignis, they never do harm. Mitsubishi, the maker of the Pajero and Montero. A symbol of adventure, a true off-road hero. Their cars are known for their toughness and endurance. With the Outlander, Eclipse, and Mirage, they show their assurance. In Japan, the car culture is rich and diverse. With brands that innovate and never cease to amaze. They fill every need and cater to every taste. With cars that are reliable, efficient, and packed with grace. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.